Kahiti, the premier development on year-round Tellico Lake, could be your next home opportunity at 169 Golvanyi Trl. With 4 bedrooms, 3 baths, and a half bath, this lakefront estate provides over 4,100 square feet of luxurious living area. This is unsurpassed quality throughout. Step into the great room beneath its own cathedral ceiling and on hardwood flooring. The impressive gas fireplace will keep you toasty warm on cool East Tennessee nights. It's part of an open floor plan which takes you to this formal dining room facing a wall of glass which allows a picturesque view of Tellico Lake. And wait till you see the kitchen. It's surrounded by plenty of counter area, counters of granite. It's fully equipped with stainless steel appliances, an island to facilitate meal prep, centered by a heavy-duty gas cooktop, as well as tremendous cabinet space. Welcome to your study, or private executive office if you'd like, beneath a very high ceiling to the left of the foyer. To your right, the first of your 4 bedrooms with bath. All are customizable to your particular taste. Here is the master on the main. It's roomy with natural light, accessing the covered porch, and an ensuite bath with dual vanities, a jetted tub, and a glass shower. It goes well beyond state-of-the-art. With a downstairs family room with its own bar, tremendous basement storage, this covered boat dock with 5,600-pound lift, and more, the present owners at 169 Golvanyi Trl extend a personal invitation for your private tour. Call Lisa Barnard of Remax Excels in Tellico Village direct at 865-582-1799.